What really happens after Mimosa Hostilis root bark arrives at a processing facility? Let's go behind the process and find out. Stage 1. The arrival. Stacks of Mimosa Hostilis root bark arrive, ready for processing. Stage 2. Careful sorting. Each batch is inspected and sorted to ensure only quality bark moves forward. Stage 3. Natural drying. The bark is spread out and naturally dried to achieve the ideal moisture level. Stage 4. Industrial milling. Powerful milling machines transform the dried bark into a fine, consistent powder. Stage 5. Quality checks. The powder is examined for texture, color, and uniformity before packaging. Stage 6. Final packaging. The finished product is securely packed and prepared for shipment. From raw bark to finished powder, this is the fascinating journey of Mimosa Hostilis processing. We are Orbo.